In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a flowchart in Prezi. Flowcharts are powerful visual tools for organizing ideas, outlining processes, and demonstrating workflows. Whether you're mapping out a project plan or presenting a decision-making process, Prezi provides a dynamic platform to bring your flowcharts to life with its intuitive interface and engaging visual effects. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Prezi account and open a new presentation. Prezi offers a flexible canvas for creative expression, and starting a new presentation is your first step in crafting a customized flowchart. Once you're in, you'll be prompted to choose a template. While there are many vibrant templates available, for a flowchart, it's advisable to select either a blank canvas or a simple template that caters to diagrammatic needs. This choice will give you a clean slate to work with, allowing you to mold your flowchart without any unnecessary distractions. Now, let's move on by adding your main topic. This will represent the starting point of your flowchart. It acts as the central hub from where all subsequent steps and decisions will stem. Think of it as the anchor of your flowchart, clearly defining the process or the subject being examined. Once your main topic is in place, you can begin creating subtopics. Each subtopic corresponds to a step or decision in your process. Consider each decision or action that might occur and create corresponding subtopics. This structure will ensure that your process is mapped out meticulously. Next, it's time to bring your flowchart to life with visual connectors. Prezi allows you to insert shapes, arrows, or icons to visually link your steps. These connectors function as the glue that visually ties your entire process together. Use arrows to indicate direction and flow. Icons can add a visual cue and help differentiate the various steps or kinds of actions within your flowchart. Once you have your components in place, it's essential to arrange these elements logically. Swiftly drag and drop the different pieces of your flowchart until they align in a clear and coherent sequence. This logical arrangement helps convey the right message and ensures your audience can follow along without confusion. To make your flowchart even more engaging, utilize Prezi's zoom paths. Zoom paths allow you to guide your viewers smoothly through each step of your flowchart, offering a dynamic viewing experience. By setting up paths from one piece to another, you create a seamless transition that enhances understanding and keeps the audience engaged throughout. And that's how you design a flowchart in Prezi. With these tools and tips at your disposal, you're now equipped to create effective and visually compelling flowcharts. Whether for education, business, or personal projects, your Prezi flowchart will be an effective tool for conveying complex information in an understandable, straightforward way. Happy designing!